Hi, well, this is Sam Creating the Heart, and I'm back to share a bunch of projects that I made using La La Land's September 2019 Lemonade Kit. This is the kit. I never used it, but I had all this lemonade paper that I needed to use. And so stay tuned for, I actually used, it's funny because I actually used up some stuff from my Concord and Ninth summer camp, and I believe that some of the papers that I used was paper that we also had gotten last year in summer camp, and we got the same paper this year, I'm pretty sure, because I don't know. It's kind of weird, but anyway, I'm going to show you what I made, and then stay tuned. I'm going to have another video recapping my kill a kit, because I did kill a paper pad, because I killed another paper pad. So anyway, this is the kit. If you don't belong to La La Land Crafts kits, it's a good one. There's a couple of kits that I belong to now. I've done a bunch of them, and I've kind of narrowed it down to the ones I like. I had canceled this one before and then re-upped it just because I wanted to try some different stuff, and I've come back to it because it's actually gotten better. We get quite a lot of dies now. The stamps are really great. If you like La La Land Craft stuff, it's really a good deal. I believe it's $39.95, and then shipping, and you get a bunch of dies, you get a bunch of stamps, so it's pretty cool. So I did use that. I did use this awesome floor die in one of my last videos. I'll try to remember to post it again, but one of my last videos I used this floor die, and it's from I forget where it's from, but I'll post where I got it. Actually, not where I got it, but where you can get it. And I've had it for a while. I always forget I have it, but it's amazing, and I'll show you what it looks like. And so I did 3 different sized cards. So I did this 6x6 card, and this is where you see that floor die. And so I just pieced it together so I can make it longer, because it's really designed for 5.5, and I needed it to go to 6. So I just ran it through twice and just pieced it together. And so I colored my my Marci with Copics, and I love how she came out. And I also colored in my mice with Copics as well. And then very simple, I just used some pattern paper and used a sentiment, you're my main squeeze. And I think she came out really cute, and that's a 6x6. And then this is a 5x5, I believe, or 5.5 by 5.5 card is what this one is. And so I used paper that I had left from, this was like the last paper I needed to use from the Not Too Shabby Shop April papers from the subscription kit. And so I had this green circle already, so I used that. And then I think I had this lemon circle as well from a shaker card that I made. And then this paper also is from that kit. And I think it's kind of like the last of the paper. I even put like scrap. I don't know if I put scrap in here, but I put scrap in here. And so I don't have a lot of paper left. I think I have scraps. So I might go through and see if I can't decorate the insides of it. And then I will do a what I made with this paper video, just a recap. And then with my Marci, I decorate her clothes. So her shirt, I put little polka dots on it, and I think she came out really, really cute. And there that one is. And then this one is a mini slim line, and I used the lemonade stand die, and I have my little mice, and it just says squeeze the day. And I used some pattern paper. It's actually Concord and Ninth pattern paper to kind of give me my scene. And those are my cards. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Creating the Heart.